Hi, today in front of me Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open the control panel and find here screen record icon. If you don't see here this icon, you could click here to this edit one. Find here somewhere screen recording, hold it and drag it to your panel. Then go back to save the changes and hold for a while screen recording icon to launch screen recording settings. So that's so simple. Open the control panel, hold screen recording icon, and after that you'll see here sound section with the record system sound switcher and record microphone sound. So now they are turned off. This means that you'll record only mute videos. You could use the system sound and use the microphone sound to command, for example, something together, or also you could use them separately. Also, we got one more way how we could launch the screen recording settings. We should first open the settings application, then scroll down to the system section and tap here to screen recording, and by the same way you could change here the screen recording settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.